Welcome to a quick, friendly guide on how to set auto advance to older emails in Gmail settings updated. If you're tired of scrolling through a long inbox and want to jump to the next batch of messages, this simple change will save you time. We'll walk through the steps on the Gmail app so you can get back to what matters faster. First, open the Gmail app on your phone. Make sure you're signed into the account you want to adjust. You'll land on your inbox with emails stacked in order of arrival. The bottom line is we're adjusting how Gmail loads the next set of messages. Next, look for the menu icon in the top left corner. It looks like three horizontal lines. Tap it to reveal a side panel with more options. This is your gateway to all the settings that control how Gmail behaves on mobile. From the menu, scroll down and tap on Settings. If you have multiple accounts, you'll want to select the specific account you intend to modify. Once you're in the right place, you'll see a list of general preferences that shape your Gmail experience. Tap on General Settings. This section houses several toggles and choices that affect how you read and manage mail on the app. It's worth a quick skim to see what other preferences you might want to tweak later. Now, scroll down and tap on Auto Advance. This setting determines how Gmail loads the next group of messages after you take an action, like archiving or deleting. Here you'll decide how far back you want Gmail to go when you perform an action on a message. Select Older. By choosing Older, you tell Gmail to automatically show you older conversations after you complete an action. It streamlines your workflow if you regularly process emails in batches and prefer moving through your inbox chronologically from newest to oldest. With Auto Advance set to Older, you'll notice a smoother, more continuous flow as you work through messages. If you ever change your mind, you can revisit this path and switch to newest or off depending on how you like to navigate. That's all there is to it. A quick tap sequence and your Gmail experience becomes more efficient, especially when you're managing a busy inbox.